Hello, my old friend. I hope you all doing well. Welcome to our first tutorial of iOS. In this tutorial, we're gonna explore some basic functions and some basic language and basic material which we're gonna use to develop our iOS applications. In this tutorial, we're gonna explore the three basic applications for the iOS, Apple, and Mac notebook, which we use to develop the program. So these are the three important program we're gonna install in our Mac laptop. Finally, I found my Mac M5 Air book. So now we're gonna start our software development. So the first important tool is the Xcode, second is the Swift, and third is the Swift user interface. We're gonna explore them in detail one by one. What is the Xcode? Before we write any program, we need a place where we can write our code. So this place called the code editor or IDE, integrated development environment. For iPhone, iPad and Mac application, the Apple provide us the Xcode. So the Xcode is basically the IDE or integrated development environment. That is the free that one is freely available on a Google on a Apple Store, so we can download from the Apple Store. Simple definition of the Xcode. Xcode is the official software from the Apple that we use to write, build, test and run iPhone and Mac application. It is the editor where we write our code. In this tutorial, I am using the Xcode 12.5 version, but you can use the more version, but more suitable version is the 12.5, and you can go to the 12.6, 12.8 as well, but try to avoid to use less than 12 version. Second program is the Swift. Swift is the Apple programming language. It is similar like the Windows computer, we use C Sharp. If you come from the window development, the Swift also provide the thousand of ready-made classes and functions. Instead of writing the hundred of the lines of the code, we simply call those functions. For example, if we want to display a message on a screen, we don't have to write the everything from beginning. Swift already provide the tools, we simply use them. So the simple definitions: Swift is the Apple programming language. It provides the ready-made classes and functions that help us to write less code and build application much faster. Let me give you the example, one more example of the classes. What is the classes? Let's say I want to print some text on my screen. To print the text, I need the hundred of the lines to get this job done. So what we do, we just call the class print, and then we call the print function of that class, and that function perform their job for us. Third important part of our iOS programming is the Swift user interface. The Swift user interface provides us the buttons, images, screen, list boxes, icon, text boxes. So through that, the end user interface communicate with the coding. So the Swift user interface is the buttons, text, images, list, text boxes and icons. So an application needs a screen so the user can interact with it using them. In a window form, we also place the control on form. In iPhone development, we use the Swift user interface to create the user interface. The simple definition of the user interface is the Apple framework for designing the user interface. It allows us to create the button, text, images, list and other control that the user use to interact with the applications. So in today's tutorial we explore in detail what is the Xcode, what is the Swift and what the Swift user interface do. These three are the important programs we need to create any Apple applications or iOS applications. So we are going to create the complete software using these three tools. So stick with us, and in future we will see how we're going to create complete software using these three important tools. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icons and turn on the notification. Like if you enjoy this video, comment, share your thought